Hey guys, so I'm really excited because today I'm going to be walking you through another tutorial. I'm going to be creating a high ponytail using the Showpony 3-in-1 clip-in extensions. Basically in this gift box you get a few little extra goodies, which is really great. This is my clip-in extension. So it's literally just one piece, and on the inside there are the areas for your Velcro clips. You can literally just remove them and pop them anywhere you like. You can wear this as a halo hair extension as well, so it comes with like the halo pieces and then they get clipped into this little section here, and then you can also just use it as your standard clip-in extension. So really versatile. The way that I'm going to be popping the ponytail in is honestly so easy. You'll never be able to do it any other way. Also in the box you get a set of clips, and then you also get a special extension brush. So I hope you all follow along really easily. I'll try and break it down and make it as simple as possible. So before you start, you'll also need just a couple of hair ties. This is to create your ponytails, and then a few bobby pins as well. So basically, to start off with, what you want to do is section a halo section through your hair. So we're actually going to create an internal ponytail. So I'm going to go back about 2 inches from my hairline and just use my fingers and draw along the head, and then create my halo section. Like so. And then just grab your brush, your Showpony brush, and brush it all up, and then tie it in a nice tight ponytail. So on the crown of your head, if you have a feel, you'll actually have a flat spot. That's where you want to tie your ponytail, because that's the best spot for it to sit. Tie it up nice and tight. Now, for this, we're actually going to be doing an upside down ponytail. So you have to flip it around and then place it in from underneath. So basically you want to hold it like this. You want to open the clip. So to open the clips, you just press on the sides of them and then they'll pop open. And then we're just going to be sliding these into the hair that you've tied into that ponytail, and then clip it in. Like so. So these clips have like a silicone section on them, so it actually stops them from slipping, which is great. Now we are going to comb all of the hair into one big ponytail. So I'll just stand up for this section and then grab your hair ties. Okay, so when you pop your head up, if you've got a few little bumps in your ponytail, that's fine. Get your tail comb and you want to just push the end of it in, and this will actually help to smooth out any bumps without creating new bumps. And then you can just pop a little bit of hairspray on it if you like. So you just want to take a piece from underneath, and then we are going to wrap that around your hair tie or your elastic to hide it. Just tie it as tight as you can, and then grab a bobby pin, and then you're just going to be pinning the end in. So sometimes I don't even open my bobby pin when I do this. I just get the little strand of hair, slide the bobby pin over it, and then just push it straight in. I'll just use 2 to make sure that it's nice and secure. And then if you want to add any more in, you can as well. I then like to just go over it with just a little bit of hairspray. If you do get any bumps that you sort of want to get rid of, just grab a bobby pin. Don't open it, and just slide it in wherever you see that there is like a little bump that you want to fix. So if you do want to pop a little bit more of a wave into it, you can just literally pick it up in, you know, semi-large sections and then grab a curling wand and you just pop a little bit of a wave into it. I prefer to use a wand for this rather than the straightener, just because you don't want to be like pulling on the ponytail too much if you are like gliding the irons through. So I just find the curling wand is a little bit more effective for this look. You can use a little bit of a texturizing spray if you want to like zhuzh your curls up just a little bit. This one's called Bedroom Hair and it's like a flexible texturizing spray. So you can just spray that into it. And it will just make your ponytail look a little bit fuller. There you go. How easy is that? It feels nice and secure as well. I've got a beautiful, voluminous, textured ponytail ready to go out.